Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this is a easy working, what does it say? It says Automotive Multifunction Drive Tester. And so this is going to give us our voltage connecting, so like that. We don't know what's wrong with this car here. Something's wrong with, there's a shorting out somewhere in the electrical system. So this is hopefully going to save our day. So let's see what we got here. Let's get all out. So we have our testing device here, and then we have our power cables here, and I guess that's going to connect onto our voltage to test it as well. So see what this does. I guess we have to give it power. Let's see what it does. It also comes with 2 little rolls of electrical tape and a bag to put it in, and here's the instructions. So let's see what the instructions say. Make sure everything doesn't fall in there. So we connected it to the battery first and work our way forward. So I don't know what to get this car. There's a battery here. It's probably in the back. I'm gonna go grab. We're gonna go try this over at the other car. Yeah, we can connect it up there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna check it out here. So let's. Just for ease of use at the moment, it does come with a really long wire, so I could run it around to the battery, but just for showing y'all how it works, I'm just gonna do it right here on this, because we do have a working battery. So, let's see what we got here. Positive here. There. Give us, so now we have our power there, and then we can check with this, which will give us our whether we are have a problem. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So we would clip this onto the area, you know, just some negative ground on there, and then we would touch this to it, and if it gives us this, you can see it lights up, showing us we have a negative light. So we can do it here, we can check. I guess these are just gonna set it to, but then we can set it there. So it says auto reset trip. So if we trip our breaker in it, I guess we can do that. But so this will kind of give us our way to go test around the car to find our thing. You can see right now we're running 13.3 volts on our battery in here. So this battery is good. So it does have a battery tester in it as well. And then we'll be able to go and test all the different components. So that is what we'll be using this for. So we're going to be able to test our continuity and find out where our short is somewhere in that car. So pretty cool. Nice to have this, and this will totally come in handy. Thumbs up for sure.